Friends, hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you and also show you how you can make your X app or Twitter account public. But before you start watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and also, friends, write comments. So let's go ahead and get started with you. Locate and open the X app on your device. Next, on the top left, click on your image. Now scroll down a little bit, select Settings and Privacy. Then please select Privacy and Confidentiality. And at the top, click on the very first option. Now you're going to need to disable this one, folks. I recommend that you disable the next one as well, just in case. So you're making your Twitter account public, not private. And if you go back and click on your profile picture, you'll see that you used to have a little lock next to your name that said your account was private. And now it's gone because your X account is now public. Dear friends, that's how quick and easy it is. You can make your Twitter or X account public. I really hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and comment. Bye everyone, friends.